Your smart device may seem to keep your data secure, but what if it's actually failing you right now? Imagine this: your health tracker records every heartbeat, but suddenly it shows an alarming spike after a calm day. This isn't just a glitch, it could signal a serious underlying issue that you can't afford to ignore. Many people blindly trust the automated data integrity checks in their devices, believing the information is accurate. But what happens when those checks fail? Hidden failures can lead to unexpected and severe consequences. Picture this: you wake up to find your smart thermostat misreading the temperature. You thought you were saving energy, but instead, your home has turned into an icebox overnight. This isn't just uncomfortable, it could lead to costly repairs and health risks. Silent failures like this could be happening in your devices right now. When was the last time you questioned the data your gadgets produce? Tech companies often prioritize speed over accuracy, pushing out updates without thoroughly checking data integrity. Your smartwatch might be urging you to run a marathon while it has missed tracking your last 5 workouts. Think you can just reset your device or update the software? That's only a band-aid solution. Only a band-aid solution. The real issue lays in what those updates often overlook: the integrity of the data itself. If that foundation is weak, no amount of polishing will fix it. Visualize this: you are using a smart recipe app, relying on it for precise measurements. Halfway through, you discover it's miscalculating your ingredients. You could end up with an inedible dish, all because the app failed to verify its own data. These scenarios are more common than you think and raise a critical question: how often do we trust our technology without a second thought? The stakes are high, especially regarding your health, finances, or safety. Start by assessing the data your devices provide. Question its reliability and look for patterns and failures. Trust your instincts when something seems off. Remember, while smart technology offers convenience, it comes with risks. By recognizing the hidden failures of automated data checks, you are not just protecting yourself, you are empowering your choices. Stay informed. Your best defense is vigilance. If you notice something unusual, don't ignore it. Trust your judgment. The most significant warning signs are often the ones we overlook. Have you ever considered what could go wrong when you rely on your smart gadgets? Imagine opening your health app and seeing your heart rate completely off. That's just the start. Automated data integrity checks are meant to keep our devices running smoothly, but what happens when they fail? Many of us don't realize these checks can be masking serious issues. Picture a smart thermostat misreading the temperature, leaving your home freezing in winter. You might brush it off as a minor glitch, but it highlights a bigger problem. Often trust technology without question. These failures aren't just small annoyances, they can have serious consequences. What if your smartwatch miscounts your steps right before an important event? You could find yourself unprepared, all because a simple data check went wrong while you weren't paying attention. All because of why while you were ten paired Let's dig a little deeper. With each new gadget, we assume they come equipped with the latest data integrity checks. But beneath that sleek exterior lays a complex web of algorithms that can easily malfunction. Think back to when your smart device recommended a workout plan based on incorrect data. It's unsettling how much these errors can impact our lives. Now, let's raise the stakes. Imagine relying on smart technology for your medication reminders. If the data check fails, you could miss crucial doses. This isn't just a minor issue, it poses a real risk to your health. How often have you dismissed a small tech error, only to see it snowball into something that disrupted your day? So, what can we do about this? Awareness is key. The first step is to keep a close eye on our devices. Don't take their information at face value, double-check the data, and stay informed about how they work. As we wrap up, think about your relationship with technology. Is it a partnership built on trust, or are you overlooking the cracks in the foundation? Remember, every gadget has its limits, and those limits can lead to unexpected failures. Next time you check your smart device, take a moment to pause. Are you really getting the complete picture? Stay curious and don't let complacency blind you to the hidden failures that may be lurking around you. If this topic caught your interest, consider subscribing for more stories that challenge your perspective on technology. Have you ever wondered what happens when your smart device forgets something crucial? It's more than just a minor glitch, it can disrupt your daily routine. Picture this: you're counting on your smart thermostat to keep your home cozy, but it's stuck at a frigid 50 degrees. You might brush it off as a small issue, but what if that's just the tip of the iceberg? Many of us place our trust in these gadgets without a second thought, unaware of the potential hidden failures. The truth is, automated data integrity checks can fail unexpectedly, leaving you in a tough spot quite literally. Let's dig deeper. You've set up your fitness tracker to monitor your steps, eager to hit your health goals. But what if that device miscounts your activity? One miscalculation could lead to unnecessary workouts or, even worse, injuries. These seemingly minor mistakes often lurk within the software. You might think, surely these companies have it all figured out. But the reality is far more complex. But far more complex. The reality is more. Imagine you were on a road trip, relying on Yorex for directions, and suddenly it misplaces your location. You find yourself miles away from your destination, all due to Ateni data processing error. Frustrating, right? This isn't just a bad day, it's a wake-up call about how fragile our reliance on technology can be. As these devices collect more data, the risks only increase. What's the hidden danger? It's the assumption that everything will work flawlessly. We expect our devices to communicate seamlessly, yet many aren't equipped to handle unexpected hiccups. Now, let's make it personal. Have you ever missed an important meeting because your calendar app didn't sync properly? You might blame the app, but have you considered the integrity of the data it's using? So, what's the solution? It's not just about trusting technology, it's about recognizing its limitations. Right.